Hi everyone, I'm Mark. Great to see you again. In our previous videos, we unboxed the KSCAN-X and set up the wireless connection. Today we're going hands-on with some basic scans to show you just how seamless the process is. Like any precision tool, for scanning we need to calibrate KSCAN-X, ensuring the data quality and scanning accuracy. Here we've got the Devon sites launched and KSCAN-X wirelessly connected. Now we place the calibration board on a flat surface and click Calibrate in Devon site. Grab our KSCAN-X, face it towards board, press the start button to activate the laser and calibrate. We will start by aligning the XY axis, then slowly move the scanner while watching the distance indicated in Devon site. This is the calibration for cameras, and now we need to do an extra calibration for lasers. It's that easy. When calibration completes, the results will appear on screen. If it's higher than 0.03, just recalibrate. And next, we need to set up markers. Markers are used to locate the object position in space. For this car body in white, we choose to use the markers of 12 mm. After placing the markers, we attach the scale bars to the car body. With an adaptive photogrammetry system, KSCAN-X ensures exceptional accuracy over long distances. And now it's time to set two parameters in Devon site: point density and exposure. Point density controls how detailed your scan is. Higher density means more detail, but slower speed and big files. Exposure refers to the laser line's intensity. Higher exposure means bright light, suitable for scanning dark or glossy surfaces. For the car body, we'll set point density at 1.5 and exposure at 1. Once the parameters are set, select Mark Mode, and we follow this path to check the scale bar. Additionally, we set Extended in Scan Settings. Now we're good to scan the markers with a click on the Start button. During scanning, we need to pay attention to the distance between the scanner and the part. The Devon site has a distance bar on the left. We aim to stay in the green zone. Thanks to the KSCAN-X ultra-large scanning area, we can capture all the markers in seconds. Once done, click Finish to let the software automatically optimize the markers. Now we can start scanning the car body. Long press the M button on the KSCAN-X to switch to laser patch mode and scan from multiple angles to get full coverage. We can double-click the Start button to switch laser types. KSCAN-X offers three options: cross laser lines, parallel laser lines, and single laser line. Quad cross lasers covers largest area with the most laser lines, ideal for scanning large objects at a distance. Dual cross lasers are better for medium-sized objects at a medium range. Single line lasers are perfect for deep holes or hard-rich areas. And don't forget, you can track everything on this touchscreen: frame rate, mark count, exposure, and more. This is making wireless scanning even more flexible. With KSCAN-X 84 blue laser lines, we capture the 3D data of the whole car body really fast. Then mesh our scans to smooth the data and prep it for export. And that's it. We've just completed a seamless wireless 3D scan with the KSCAN-X. If you got any questions or want to learn more, feel free to drop us an email. Thank you for watching and see you next time.